Hello, I'm in a 2010 Chevy Suburban, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the display language between English, Spanish, or French. So first you'll start the vehicle, wait just a moment for everything to load. Alright, and once we're loaded, we're going to actually use these buttons here. So this one I'll go through different options within your menu here. So I'm pushing it once, it's already on the language. So display, press the check, so we're pushing the check next. And then to toggle between English, French, and Spanish, I'm just pushing this button again so you get to the language you want. We'll say we want to change it to Spanish. Now I'm pushing the check. Now it's in Spanish. Obviously I speak English, so I'm gonna change it back to English. There we go. So I just click through all the menu options to get back. So I'm hitting check. Check again. All right, so now it's all back in English for me. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.